Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well, staying healthy and staying safe. So in today's video, I'll be discussing about how can you improve your art, as you already saw it from the title of this video. So a lot of you guys have been messaging me asking how can you improve your art. So I'm doing this video because I really can't answer to each and every one of you guys out there. So I hope this video will give you some ideas and your answer to the question. So let's get started. The question is, how can you improve your art, right? So how to improve your art is all about consistency. Yeah, that's right, it's all about consistency, guys. It's all about how much you spend time on your drawings or painting. It's about finding your weak points. It's about finding your weak points and figuring out how to fix them. Alright, so improving your art is not about spending too much time watching tutorials or reading art books. It helps, but if you just read and watch, it will not help you. So you have to do it. It's also not about surrounding yourself with people who loves you, who really admire your work every day, all the time. So it's not also about spending too much time surrounding with people who don't like you. Alright, see, it's not about telling people that you are an artist if you can't really improve your work. So here are my advice to you guys. Alright, advice number 1, practice. Yes, I know you heard this word so many times in your life, but see guys, practice is one of the most effective way. Okay, it's one of the most effective way to improve your art skill. As for myself too, I practice a lot. I practice like even when I'm trying to shoot a video for you guys, I draw some thumbnails first, then I put it on a final paper. Alright, see, I'm not saying that you should practice every single day of your life. If you can, it's good for you, but I'm not saying that you should practice every day. See, you can do this, you can practice in your free times. Alright, at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes is more than enough. But practice here means just doing some rough sketches, and doodling stuff. Just play with it, just play with your pencil and the paper, like just throw like your imagination, just put it out there. So in practice, you really don't need to worry about perfection or details or shading, all that stuff. Alright, you really don't need to worry about that. Just practice. Like if you see someone sitting in a coffee shop, draw them, like draw that person. You learn the anatomy, you learn the poses by doing this every day. Like if you do still life drawings means like you draw what you see, like what you see in front of you. If you saw a cat sleeping, just draw it. If you saw a person walking, draw it. If you saw a tree, draw it. See, by doing that, it will really help your observation. Alright guys, see, when you do this every day, like when you do still life every day, it will make it really easy for you. Right, it will make really easy for you that you can draw anything from your memory, because why, you have captured all these things through still life. You have captured all the surrounding, all the environment in your head. That's why it will make you very easy to draw anything. When they ask you draw a human, you just boom, throw it out there. Just draw it out. If they said draw the environment, boom, just draw the environment. Because why? You can do this through practice, and by learning the still life you can really improve your art. All right, this is what I learned. So now I'm saying this to you guys, do the same. So my second advice, self-confidence. Yes guys, you must have self-confidence. See, I see a lot of artists lose their confidence, all right, and this affect their work, and this really affect their work. Because why? You can just see it from their artwork. When they do stuff, like when they have a confidence, they do it really good and really well. But when they lose confidence, they just do like they don't want to do it. They just finish the work just for the sake. All right, I have gone through that situation myself. And now that I have that self-confidence and I have you guys, so it's pushing me up. All right, it's pushing me out. So self-confidence is one of the most important things. All right, if you really want to improve, or if you really loved art, guys, put your heart and soul into it. All right, put your heart and soul into it. This will really help you. This will really improve your work. This will make you happy. Because why I'm saying this, without self-confidence, guys, you can't really do anything. All right, even when you want to sleep, if you don't have the self-confidence to sleep, you can't really sleep. All right, you can't really sleep. So that's the point I want to put out there. So I really don't have much advice for you guys, but alright, learn from your mistakes, guys. Learn from your mistakes. Don't just throw away all your drawings, all your sketches you made in the past. Alright, don't throw them. Just put it. Because why? I do the same. I never throw my sketches, my drawing, my art into which I've done in the past. I don't throw them. I keep them safely. Why you do that? Because when you're doing this art thing, when you're improving, you can see, like, in the past, how you're doing in the past and what you're doing now, right? Like, you can compare the past and the present, right? See, that's what I'm trying to say. Just learn from your mistake. Don't be upset when people say, oh, you're bad at drawing, oh, that looks ugly, oh, like, there are some people who critiques things without understanding, right? So when they say that to you, just ignore them. All right, just ignore them. Don't listen to them. When someone critiques you, saying that, oh, this is not nice, this is shit, right? This is shit. Then just say to them, can you do it? Just say to them, can you do it? If you can do it, then you can say anything to my art or to my drawing. See, for me, I usually ignore people who critiques my art. Alright, I really ignore, because why? They are just people, they are not artists. But when artists critiques my work, then I really don't get mad. I don't ignore them. I listen to their advice. I listen to them, because why? They are an artist. make friends. You can ask for advice, you can ask for some tips, you can still do things together. So here guys, I'm gonna show you some of my old artwork. Actually not old, I've done this last year, some watercolor paintings. Alright, so here it is guys. See, just see it. I really don't know how to blend with watercolor before. Alright, I really don't know with what material I have to work with, so I really don't know that watercolor paper existed because I have never tried doing watercolor. Because as you know, as an artist, you learn new things. Alright, that's the only thing I want to say guys. Don't lose hope. Alright, just practice, have self-confidence, and make friends. And I don't know what to say, just do it. Alright, just do it. You will improve surely. Don't worry about the world, what is saying to you. Alright, don't worry about people saying stuff to you. Don't, for that, just keep that aside. Now focus on what you want to do. That's the only thing I want to say. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you love what you see, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. Please like the video. So thank you, bye bye.